Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to connect Soundpad with Discord, so let's start. It's very easy to do it. When you open the app from the Soundpad, you have to connect the devices and check in what stereo it is. When you check it, let's go to Discord as I am here, and let's go to user settings, and you can see under the left side. Here you find in the left side a menu. Just go to the part that says voice and video. Just click here, and then you have input device. Here in input device, just click here and just can select one of these two. For example, if the sound pad is in microphone 2, you can select that one. So that is how you can do it, and I hope this works for you. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. If you need more help, please write on the comments, and if you prefer, well, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumb up to this video.